Hey, it's red convertible time. We got a 1970 Pontiac LeMans. It has the GTO hood and a 400 motor under that hood. Air conditioned, power steering, power disc brakes, posi, dialed in, just a great cruising convertible. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at all the pictures, read the information about the car. You'll find a price tag on every one of our cars, along with a monthly finance option. They'll go 144 months on most cars to really make it easy for you. Go to volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, that top's down. Let's go for a spin. Underneath the car appears to be really solid. The floors, smooth, clean metal. I didn't see any patchwork. And it's all nice and clean and painted black. Matter of fact, I'm just noticing the dimples. These look like the factory spot weld dimples around there. So my impression is a really good, clean, solid car. Been a lot of front end work done. Looks like the ball joints. It's got gas shocks all the way around. I was told the springs were replaced by the previous owner. We just did a pitman arm and I think a center link. So we've inspected and gone through the front end. Great sounding dual exhaust, look like Flowmaster mufflers. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. We replaced the fuel tank and the sending unit. It has a disc brake conversion up front, so all the calipers, all that is pretty recent. The e-brake assembly is all hooked up. So everything under there looks nice and clean and proper. Bottom of the motor's painted, nice, clean. Has a mini high torque starter. Has its VIN number matching Power Glide automatic transmission. And previous owner put a 303 posi unit in the rear end. Now let's check out the body. Standing here, it's a 10. Let's get up close and personal and see what it's like. Obviously, I mentioned earlier, it has the dual scoop GTO hood. This is all straight, fits nice and square. You have a hairline stress crack. This is all rubber up here. You have one crack, but this is all real good. That's all real nice. This lines up square. The scoops are open, straight, really straight down the side of the car. It's all clean. Corner of the hood sticks up a little bit right here. This is all nice and clean, smooth, no rust, no bubbles. That's all clean. Yeah, it's a really clean body right down to the bottom. It all fits really well. Trunk lines up square and flush. We actually sold this car a few years ago and we bought the car back. I guess it was time for a new kitchen. So the paint that's on here is at least a few years old and it's holding up really well. Again, I don't see those little rust blisters that start to pop along the bottoms. It's all clean and smooth, straight. Doors line up beautifully. It's got new fresh rubber around here. I mean, it lines up nice. All clean. Yeah, body, I'm going to say, is excellent. The paint, beautiful red finish. It's shiny. It's polished. You'd have to be someone really fussy to nitpick the paint job. I can see a little speck here, a little texture in that area, but very minor imperfections. There's no significant flaws. A couple little chips right there, tiny ones. But overall, the paint is really slick, really sharp. Windshield's probably original. I can see some faint marks. Actually, there is a stone chip right there. So original glass. Stainless is good. This up here is a little worn, this vinyl material. That's where the top rubs on. Front bumper. Chrome bumper is really shiny. That's probably been replated. Nice original grills. The bezels look to be in real good shape. Tires are brand new. We just put those on, so they only have but a few miles on them. It looks like we ordered some fatter tires in the back. You got Rally 2 wheels, brand new shiny trim rings. They went ahead and put the 400 emblem down there. The rubber seals have been replaced. Door handles look really sharp. Back bumper, real nice and shiny. So I'm sure the bumpers have been rechromed. Convertible top's in great shape. It's a power top. It's black. You can see pictures of that on our website. So now there's the outside. Let's take a tour of the inside. All right, let's see what the trunk compartment looks like. Under the trunk lid is nice glossy red paint. The jamb is actually pretty nice looking too. The factory seams, I really do believe it's a clean body. Weatherstrip is replaced. And then the trunk floor looks fantastic. I don't see patches or repairs. Good, solid, clean trunk. It's been spatter painted nicely. Quarter panels are clean. I don't find any splices. They could be the original quarter panels. It has a rally wheel for a spare with a tire that's never been used. Comes with some shop manuals. This here is the well liner. That's a well liner there. So you got one in place, but here's a new one, the correct one, I guess. That material is a little different. Nice trunk. I don't see a jack. You might want to buy like a scissors jack. The bottom of the doors, that lip along the bottom's nice and clean. The jambs are painted nice. Weather strips look new. I know them rubber bumpers we just put in. Door panels are in excellent shape. Got a remote mirror on that driver's door. The dash pad's real nice. It's not buckled or cracked or damaged. Real nice dash pad. The instrument panel also very clean. It's not beat up or broken. Heater control panel looks good. Does have a retro stereo. That doesn't want to push in all the way. There we go. Owner's manual for the stereo. Down on the floor, the carpet's good. Has mats. I like the bench seat. Got a nice armrest. You want to sit next to your sweetheart, you put it up. The days you don't, you put it down. It's got all the seat belts. Back seat's in real nice shape. Also has seat belts. I noticed the interior lights are working. Side panels look real good. Visors look real good. Down below the dash is a little cluster of gauges. Okay, again, we got a 400 motor. We checked the casting. I can verify that myself. It's been gone through a recent oil pump, timing chain. There's been some work done to the heads. It has a 600 Edelbrock carb on top with electric choke. The fellow we sold it to, he added some chrome. Air conditioning is a chrome compressor. The lines are hard lines. Let's look at these hinges while we're here. Those are billet hinges. I think they're $700-800. Those are nice. So the air conditioning is all hooked up and working. Motor runs nice and smooth. It's got a new polished Power Master alternator. We got power steering, and he just installed the all-chrome power brake system. We spent $2,800 servicing the car. That included the new tires, the fuel tank, a fuel sending unit, an oil pressure gauge. Gosh, I don't remember what else. But they go through the cars pretty thoroughly. We're doing a very good job of checking them out. could be more fun than going topless in the sun? This is just one of those nice, comfortable, get in, turnkey type cruisers. You're going to turn heads, go to car shows, go get ice cream, throw the kids in there, throw 6 people in there on the hot days, turn the air conditioning on. And this is just that car. And it's very affordable. I also just noticed some nice chrome grills. Yeah, the Weatherstrips are new. The rubber bumpers we just installed, so that's why you got to slam the door a little bit extra hard until those loosen up. So again, nice turnkey cruiser. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman about whatever questions you still have. They'll help get this delivered to your door. They'll help you finance it at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. You'll be notified when the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.